Welcome back, guys. So now let's start finishing up with a couple more of these. So let's toggle back on the canvas and let's start working on the door frame. So we have it selected, right click, create sketch. Now I first want to start with this cut here. So let's use our 2-point rectangle. That's our favorite, right? Let's get this door cut out. We're starting at the top left corner. We're going to drag it all the way down to the bottom. Right click, hit OK. Now we can select this area here, press pull, and we're going to press pull it all the way through. Ensure the operation's on cut. Let's hit OK. Now back in the front view, we can reselect this surface and create another sketch. So we want to go horizontally all the way through about here. Right click, go repeat line, or I could use the 2-point rectangle for this section here. And notice I'm extending beyond the left side and the bottom. That's important that you do so. So now that I have these done, and notice I didn't include this line because if we create a pipe and we have a line going from top to bottom on the same sketch, it's going to cause a disconnect. We don't want that. So that's why I only have one going horizontally and I have this one. So now we can hit finish sketch and let's create a sketch. Let's create a pipe. So go to create, pipe, select the horizontal line, change it to 1.9, change the operation from join to cut, hit OK. We'll need to toggle back on that sketch. So toggle it back on and let's repeat pipe. So right click, go up to repeat. We'll select this pipe here and the operation, the parameters are on 1.9 millimeters. Operations on cut. We can hit OK. But I do want you guys to realize why I created that box going all the way through. Because if I didn't do it, it might stop here and not cut all the way through. And we want that detail, right? So let's hit OK. Now we can toggle off the sketch because we no longer need it. And let's continue. So let's select the surface. Go to create sketch. Use our line tool, which is L on the keyboard. And from this point, we'll just drag down. That's great. And I could get some more detail here, but I think, yeah, let's just use the line tool. We'll do this line that's going slanted. This looks great right about here. Let's zoom in a bit so we can see this a bit better. Right click, hit OK. And this won't be a pipe, just this line here. So what I want to do is finish sketch. And I'm just going to select this profile and press pull it. We want to press pull it by -1.8. And it's on cut. So we're going to hit OK. We're going to toggle back on this previous sketch. And now we're going to create a pipe out of this vertical line. So go to create, pipe, select our pipe. And it's set to 1.9. It's uncut. Now we can hit OK. And I told you guys, it's just repetition. We're doing the same things over and over. So let's toggle off this sketch. We no longer need it. Lastly, we'll get this little detail here. So we'll go to create sketch. Use a 2-point rectangle. We'll just get this detail here. Select this profile, press pull it, -1.8. It's uncut. Let's hit OK. We are done with the door frame. Just that simple. So we have enough time to either start the keypad or this pipe here. So I think it might be best if we do the pipe. So let's select the pipe and let's go to create pipe. Select this edge ring here, and let's dial this up and make this a little bit bigger to something around 2 or 3 point. I think 3 should be fine. So just 3. Let's go to the front view and get the reference a bit, and that looks good. So we'll change the operation from cut to new body, and let's hit OK. And we need to pattern this across. And notice this isn't 100% even, so we can't mirror this. So we'll just create a pattern, and let's count how many rings there are. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So let's create a pattern. So go to create, pattern, pattern on path. Ensure the type is on bodies, not faces. And if it is on faces, just switch it to bodies. And for the object will be this ring here. And for the path, we can choose any horizontal line. So we'll choose this one. We'll slide it down to the last one here. Remember, we counted, and this should be 11. So on the right side here, let's change the quantity from 3 to 11. And now we have them the way we want it, matching the reference. So we'll hit OK. Now we want to cut these rings out of this pipe. So we'll go to Modify, Combine, select our main body, which is the giant pipe, and we'll select the 11 bodies. So we'll just select 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. And let's change the operation from join to cut, hit OK, and now we're done with the pipe. So hopefully this wasn't too much of a headache, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.